In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename labels in Trello. If you use Trello to track tasks, labels are a quick way to communicate status, priority, or category at a glance. Renaming them can make your board clearer and easier to scan, especially as your workflow evolves. Let's walk through the exact process, step by step, and I'll share tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, go to Trello and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you use more than one. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your boards are listed. Click the board that contains the cards and labels you want to update. Choosing the right board matters because label names are specific to each board. Changing the name here won't affect labels on other boards. Next, open any card on that board. You can click on the title of any task or card to bring up its details. This card window is where you'll find all the options related to that task, including the labels you've already applied or might plan to use. Look to the right-hand side of the card for the menu and click on Labels. This opens a panel showing all the labels available on the board. You'll see their colors, and if they already have names, you'll see those too. Now hover your cursor over the label you want to rename and click the pencil icon that appears. This is the edit control. A quick note here. You're editing the name of the label, not its color. The color helps you spot it quickly, while the name provides the meaning. Renaming a label updates it everywhere on this board, across all cards where it's used, which is great for consistency. Type the new name into the text field and click Save. Keep the name short, clear, and consistent with how your team works. For example, names like Urgent, Blocked, Design Review, or Ready for QA are easy to understand at a glance. After you click Save, you should immediately see the updated name in the label list and on any cards that use it. That's all it takes. You've logged in, opened your board, selected a card, accessed labels, edited the label with the pencil icon, and saved your changes. If you don't see the labels option or the pencil icon, make sure you're on the card details view and that you have permission to edit board settings. A quick page refresh can also help if the change doesn't appear right away. With your labels clearly named, your Trello board becomes faster to read and easier to manage.